Here are 4 investments you should make before 2025. It's no longer news that we're faced with inflation today, and this is not peculiar to Nigeria. The price of commodities in the market are actually on the rise, while the value of the money you have in the bank is pointing downwards. 100k cannot buy for you today what it bought for you last year. I mean, just last year. So this leaves us with the question, how do we preserve our money? So in this video, I'll be showing you where and how to preserve your money from inflation. You don't have to be a victim of inflation. You don't have to lose your money. So watch this video. Hey, my name is Michael and you are welcome to my channel. Please do hit the like button, drop your comments in the comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You can as well turn on the notification. So here are the 4 investments you should make before 2025. Invest in gold. Gold is old and yet strong in value. Gold is like a fine wine. In fact, it gets stronger and better with time. It is practically the money of all ages, which makes it a great store of value. More so, gold is known to grow in value while the dollar drops in value. It simply means that while your fiat currency is facing inflation, gold is gaining strength in the market. The market price of gold might actually drop, but the value remains the same. So you see, gold is actually a proof against inflation. Invest in real estate. Buy land, buy building, raise structures for real estate, or you can as well invest in real estate investment trusts. You can do your own research on that. There's a whole lot of argument in this space that buying landed properties is not a proper real estate business or investment, but they are all actual investment. They are all valuable investment. Here's a short story. A friend of mine bought a landed property worth 700k in 2015. And as at 2021, it was valued at over 3.5 million naira. So you see, investing in real estate has a whole lot of upsides in terms of profits and financial safety. Okay, and another advantage is that it is almost indestructible. Putting your money in real estate today might not look attractive, but in the next 3 to 5 years, your return on investments, okay, will actually blow your mind. So real estate is another shield against inflation. Invest in technology. Technology is very vast, and so it means different things to different people. But in this video, we'll be focusing on information and communications technology. We talked about the software, the hardware, social media, artificial intelligence, the virtual reality, and the blockchain technology as well. So if you have investment capital or fund, you can buy shares or invest in tech companies like Google, Tesla, Apple, and all the rest of them. But please carry out your own research before making any investment. Now, for the young minds, the young entrepreneurs, learn something around technology. Invest your time, invest your money in technology, because this is actually the future of humanity. So learn something around technology so you will not be left out of what is coming, because any investment made around technology is an investment for the future. Keep that in mind. Invest in cryptocurrency. I see a whole lot of arguments in the crypto space and a whole lot of misconception and disbelief about the cryptocurrency. I think the cryptocurrency is here to stay, irrespective of the various bans it is facing right now. Okay, let's see it this way. Every currency is peculiar to a country or a community. The naira is peculiar to Nigerians and the dollar to Americans. Okay, now without doubt, we are transiting to a full-blown digital community, and so the cryptocurrency will be the currency of the digital community. Please, this is not a financial advice, because the crypto space can be very volatile at times, and so please do your own research before making any investment. So do not let inflation steal your money. Invest in gold, invest in real estate, invest in technology and the cryptocurrency as well. So let me leave you with this. During inflation, keeping your money in the bank is not safe but risk. Investment is not risk but safe. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button, drop your comments in the comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You can as well turn on the notification. See you in my next video, and bye for now.